everyone, welcome to my channel, Hanging with Rack, and it's your girl Rhonda, and I have another restaurant review. My husband and I went to Chicago last week, and we went to our favorite place, Munno, M-U-N-N-O, and it is a nice Italian restaurant and pizzeria, and they have authentic pizza, authentic Italian pizza, and it's, oh my god, it was really good. So I had the margarita. Of course, the margarita was with the basil and mozzarella and the tomato sauce. It was really good, and I have some pictures here to show you. And my husband had the sausage pizza with olives. Looks like green olives were on there. It was really good as well. And what I liked about the pizza, that it wasn't, sometimes when you have, well, when I've had some of the Italian pizza, it's not cooked enough for me in the center, and it gets kind of soggy. But this pizza was cooked perfectly, and they drizzle it with olive oil. Oh my goodness, it was wonderful. I say this is a great place to come and take a date to, especially young ladies. If you know, a first date, and you want to eat, but you don't want to, have that much. This pizza is very light. My husband and I ended up, well, I ate one of his pizzas, one of his slice of pizzas. They're not that big. It's like a plate size. So I ended up ordering another one of the sausage, and I ended up eating all of that. He had one slice. I gave him the one slice that I took on his original one. So your girl got a little greedy, and I ate his and mine. And then we had a nice little spritzer. It was really nice. My husband and I, we've been there before. We went last year before the whole pandemic started, and we had their lasagna, and they put it in their own little ramekin, and it was really good. And we had their cheese board, we had the salad, and we had the lasagna, and everything I've had there was really nice. On the day that we went last week, it was beautiful weather. I think it was that Friday. It was really nice weather. Everyone was out. It's directly across the street from Carol's Pub. So it's kind of fun to, go out and have a nice, nice dinner, and then, go across the street to Carol's Pub, and you can listen to all the, I know they have bands, I think, on Friday and Saturday night. So, and they have all the windows open too. It was really nice. So a good place to take someone and have a drink after you have your beautiful meal at Munno. And it was a beautiful day. They also have, Munno also has a patio. It's a nice little patio right across the street. It's on Clark. Let me just look over here on the address here for that. It's 4656 North Clark, and directly across the street from it is like our little park that we have over there, because it's like in Ravenswood, and they redid that park. So they have a new track over there, and they redid the grass. Everything looks really nice. I said, probably me, I should have went to the track first and then went over to eat. But at that day, it was kind of busy. So we went there. We didn't have any reservations on Friday. And the young lady was very nice to us. She said, well, you know what? We're full right now, but let me take your number and we'll call you. And we was like, fine, because we only live a couple blocks away from there. So we went back home and chilled for a little bit. And I called about maybe 20 minutes later. Was not that long. And we walked back down, and our waitress, she was really nice. She met us at the door. She's like, come on in. And we sat inside at the table because the patio was full. And it was just very good. It was very good food and very friendly. And they have desserts. Unfortunately, I couldn't eat the dessert because I ate all the pizza. All right, well, this is just a little small review of Munno, and it's on Clark, right across the street from Carol's Pub. And I'll make sure to have all the address and for you. And also, I'm going to have some pictures at the end of this video so you can see me and my husband at the table enjoying this wonderful pizza. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.